Welcome to our channel. If you want to delete your Facebook account permanently, follow these step-by-step instructions to ensure your profile and all associated data are removed from the platform. Step 1. Log into your Facebook account using a web browser on your computer or mobile device. Step 2. Click on your profile picture in the top right corner and select Settings and Privacy from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Click on Settings to access your account settings page. Step 4. In the left sidebar, click on your Facebook information to view data management options. Step 5. Click on Deactivation and Deletion to proceed with account removal options. Step 6. Select Permanently Delete Account and click Continue to Account Deletion. Step 7. Enter your password when prompted and complete any security checks, such as CAPTCHA verification. Step 8. Click Delete Account to initiate the permanent deletion process. Note that you have 30 days to cancel this action by logging back in before your account is permanently deleted. Step 9. Avoid logging in during the 30-day grace period to ensure permanent deletion. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.